Hello, my name is Grace Stewart, and this is my project recording for SEC 516, topic 4. And this is my example of a formative assessment on a unit regarding the US Constitution and its origins. Here we have a great example of a formative assessment, which would be an online quiz or poll. This example uses the technology that students would have in a one-to-one classroom where each student has access to a computer. This assessment uses varying levels of the depth of knowledge framework. The first few questions are level 1, just getting a understanding to see whatever common misconceptions there are amongst the group. The written responses, which there are 3 of, will allow me as the educator to compare my students' responses and understand where each student stands with their understanding of the material. The assessment data will be used to craft the course and how the lessons will be taught. The data will also be used to alter any future lessons to make sure that if certain learning styles or formats work better for the class as a whole, or if any students need any specific needs met. It would also let me know if any material needs to be re-gone over based off of this short and very easy quiz. Online technology also allows for very fast grading. So it would allow for me as an educator to get this grades back to the students and get them immediate feedback on what we might need to readdress and what gaps they might have in their own education. For me, I don't believe that formative assessments should count as a grade and impact the student's class. But I do believe that parents should be made aware of any struggles or accomplishments that the student has regarding the content of the lesson. Assessment scores will not be shared amongst the class. It will be for only me to see and for the student and their parents to see. This is because of the student's privacy, and it's not a competition. Each student should want to do well because they want to, right? Because they are there to learn. They should not want to do better than somebody else. They should want to just perform their best. And I hope that this was a encouraging example of a formative assessment and how the data would be used, and assessment grades would be given to students and their families. Thank you so much.